Hey everybody and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your keyboard. Let's get started. Alright, the materials you need for this is preferably a wide keycap holder, some Q-tips, isopropyl alcohol, and some paper towel. Alright, now the first thing we need to do is to remove the keycaps. But before we do this, we want to make sure that we take a picture of our keyboard with the keycaps still on, so that when we are done cleaning it, we know where all the keycaps go with no problem. Once you have done that, we can start removing the keycaps. So grab your wide keycap holder and start removing the keycaps, or any keycap holder works. Now that we have all of our keycaps off, you can see how disgusting this keyboard is. Like, look how much hair and dirt is on there. Next thing we're going to do is put the keycaps in a bowl with some warm water and soap, and then just spin them around. Just like that, so they won't soap eat anything. Then you just want to let them sit in there so all the dirt goes out of the bowl and blend them on the piece of paper like this, put the numbers and symbols so that all the water drains out. Also place it here. Also place it top over top of these. And another thing you might notice is on the keycaps. They might have like black or like different colors. They might have like black things here, different colors. Mainly black things here. Keycaps. Mainly black. Use a black plastic keycap holder, which would have scratched plastic keycap holder, which would have scratched them. Now this cannot be. While your keycaps are drying, you can go ahead and start cleaning the keyboard here. Now, as we can see here, it's not a perfect job, but it is way better than before. And if you wanted to take it to the next level for the cleaning, you could use like a paintbrush, like an unused paintbrush, and like wipe it off more to make it look cleaner. But since I don't have that, I'm not going to do it. By the time you're done cleaning, your keycaps should be dry, so we can go ahead and start putting them back on our keyboard. A little hack is laying them out on your desk like this, going in order, so you just go row by row. So this row will go on the top here, same with this row for there. Then you can Alright, I hope the video helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your friends. Until next time, goodbye.